Hi Avada users, this is Mata with Mata Productions. You can also find me on the Avada users group as Matthew Valadez or at facebook.com/Mata Productions. Today we're going to be talking about the new feature one-page parallax in Avada 3.4. Just came out yesterday. If you haven't downloaded the update, I suggest you should because there is many new features available. And also remember, before you install the updates, always back up your WordPress and theme options. There's many plugins out there, and depending on who you host through, they actually have some backup features as well. So just remember to do that before you start your update. And also, just to show you a little demo on Avada's website, it's the one-page parallax. And the whole point of this is to put all your content onto one page, and simply if a user clicks on the navigation, it will take them to that area on the page instead of a new page loading. There could be like many pros and cons to this. I'm really not going to go into too much detail of it, but it actually is a nice feature. I just suggest not putting a Harry Potter book type of content onto one page. That's where multiple pages would come in handy. This is just, as you can tell here, I mean, it wouldn't take me that long to scroll down. And of course, you still have your footer and everything down here. So the purpose of this video is the documentation that one of the users was having trouble finding. Harris from Theme Fusion posted a link to a rough guide of it, and then later on he just posted a link again to the updated version of it, which I have here. And it talks about how to set up your one page, creating the custom menu for the one page, and how to create a new page with your content and anchor points. It's really simple, and here's some of the examples down here, and a screenshot, of course. And what I will show you is on my end, I've actually imported all the demo content over from Avada onto my website. Yes, I do not have my own website at the moment because I am still in the process of working on it, but due to other projects and procrastination, I haven't got the time to. But I am hoping today, now with the one page, I will actually release one for the Mata Productions part. So anyways, just to show you more in detail of how it works. Like I said, remember I did use the demo content, so it's really what you would do is you would create a new menu and give your menu a name. And to add your links, I will actually show you how to do. But first, we're going to view on how they did it. I already know how to do it, but just to show you on here and just show you actually in the menu structure how it works. You see that they put a pound key, hashtag, number sign, whatever we want to call it. Just for the sake of this video, we'll just call it a hashtag. And they put intro, and for their navigation label, they put intro. And same for their features, and so on. Reviews. So for us to create one, and for it to work properly with the page, so remember for the URL, we'll put our hashtag, and we'll put whatever we want, contact me, and I suggest keeping it all lowercase. I don't know if uppercase or anything would matter, but just so there's no issues, I would just say all lowercase. And then for the link text, I'm going to put contact me, and then add to menu. And there you see it's been added. So we'll save our menu. And for some reason, I don't know if it's my server or if it's my internet, but it's been running slow. I would think it's my server because this WordPress install is on a slower shared hosting server. Okay, once our menu is saved, we're going to go to the edit page. Just like we have here, it's the one page. It's already been imported over. So just to show you how to add this, we'll go down here, and there's two ways we can do it. We can either manually type it in, or actually three ways. We can manually type it in, or we can use the Insert Fusion shortcode. And remember, you can only see that during the visual tab, or we can just do simple copy and paste. But just for this video, I will actually do it through the shortcode menu anchor, and then for this we actually don't have to put the hashtag. But remember, over here we put contact me, so without the hashtag we'll put the same thing, contact me, insert the shortcode, and then you'll put your content below that. So I'll just center this and bold it. You can contact me via Facebook or Twitter, and then we'll update our page. Okay, once that's done, we'll come here and refresh our page. And we'll click on the contact me. And there you go. It's right there. That easy. And just to show you the actual full width too, I've actually will cheat here a little bit. We'll look for some shortcode here. Da, 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 da. I hate it when it does that, but I'll just do it this way then, because I actually copied it over into a notepad. Copy. Actually, I should just show you just how to do it visually, just so there's no confusion. So I'm going to delete this, and we'll insert the full width container with the menu anchor as well. Sorry about that. So full width container, and I'll just leave everything blank for the menu anchor. Remember, we don't need the hashtag, we just need the text that we put. So I put contact me, and you may contact me via Facebook or Twitter. Insert the shortcode. So there we have our contact me, and then we'll update it. Wait for it to update. And there we go. So we'll refresh it. And then we'll click on contact me. And there you go. This is the full width container with the you may contact me Facebook or Twitter. And just to show you another issue that some users might come across that I've actually experienced just by playing around. And I cannot forget, I did forget out one important thing that we have to make sure for this to work properly is on your page you actually have to go down to page options, and for your main navigation menu you want to make sure you select the navigation you created. So whatever the menu name is, you want to make sure it's on your page option. So like I said, I'm using the Avada content one page, but I did create one for my site that I was working on, the landing page. So then once you do that, make sure you update it so it shows up on your site. And remember, if for some reason your site's not updating, even though if you did, you always got to clear your cache out. from the browser, whatever. And since I'm using Google Chrome, I actually have a nice plugin installed called Click and Clean. It's free on the market. I can securely close my browser, clear private data. It will actually clean everything out of my browser and then reopen up back to the pages I was at. Really nice plugin. Um, but just to show you what I was talking about earlier, one of the issues that you might come across is I will do actually another one of these, and we'll call this About Me, and then I'll come in my menu. Remember, hashtag About Me, add to menu. This would be the perfect time for elevator music for the slowness. There it goes. Save menu. And just to show you, by the time it's saving, you see here that we have all of our navigation and everything up here. I'm just doing this just in case anyone else runs across this and they freak out or post on the support forums. So that's done, so I'll update here. And see, that all came down because our navigation is too big, and it's actually a simple little fix you can do in the sticky header and or custom coding. There's multiple ways to fix it, but now you can see my whole navigation looks like crap. It's not displaying right. Like I said, that's an easy fix. But if I was actually click them, it would just take me down here and work just fine. Another question that might pop up possibly is, let me get rid of these two menus because they are actually, so I can show you. We'll save it. And then I'll go to Parents, Theme Options real quick. Which one's going to load first? Looks like Theme Options does. Alright, one of the questions that might pop up is the header. And if you don't have the enable sticky header or enable sticky header on the tablets or mobiles, you're not going to get, I don't know why the menu's taking forever. You're not going to get the sticky header option to work like how it does in the demo. Because when I first launched it, it wasn't working, and I was like, oh yeah, duh, sticky header wasn't enabled, which it is, and the navigation is working. That's it for this video. If you have any questions or anything, be sure to post on the video, or you can ask me via Facebook or Twitter. And just to let everyone know, I am not a ThemeVusion developer. I am just a website developer using the Avada theme. I recommend it to anyone out there starting a website or looking into helping or designing websites for their clients. I've actually used Avada for many clients now, and like I said, my list is growing. I got more projects coming along, but hopefully soon I'll be able to actually have my own website released using the Avada theme, and so you guys see my work. But that's all. Thank you for watching.